When I was considering my MBA program, I knew I wanted a program that gave an intellectual approach to business. While maintaining my technical background, and the program PGDM at VBS was a perfect fit among all the programs that I saw was being offered by the other institutes. Hi, I'm Jagruti Chanchalani, a student president PGDM from Vivekanand Business School. I feel extremely proud to say that I was being able to crack the interview at the Edge partnership for the recruitment consultant position within package of 12 lakhs per annum. I always intended to pursue my PGDM with HR specialization, so I wanted a program that wasn't entirely theoretical. Thus, by joining VBS, I got international exposure through master certification of SHRM and HR Analytics with hands-on experience on Power BI and Tableau softwares. The specialization I chose taught me about the development of the business strategies, how to retain employees and solidify company goals. VBS has always encouraged and given exposures through various value-added guest lectures by industry veterans and alumni professionals. The institute is always focused on educating us beyond classrooms. I heartily thank VBS for providing me with all the necessary training and knowledge that helped me build a strong foundation for the success in the corporate world. I strongly recommend each and every aspirant thinking about a career in human resources to consider Vivekanand Business School as their first priority, and I can assure you that this would be the best decision for your career.